Namaskar. Welcome back. Today we will going to learn JHAPTAAL 10-bit cycle. So in JHAPTAAL we will get 4 sections. Vibhag, Char. In each section we will get 2 and 3, 2 and 3 matra. So we will get 4 sections. In first section we will get 2 matra, then 3 matra in second section, again in third section 2 matra, and in fourth section again 3 matra. So the chand is do teen or 2-3-2-3. Now how to do the parhan and what is the vani of JHAPTAAL? Dhi, na, dhi, dhi, na, ti, na, dhi, dhi, na, dhi. So we are getting 1 blank. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. 3 clap and 1 blank. Same as teen tal, but the section is like and the parant is like dhi, na. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. Di, na, di, di, na, ti, na, di, na, di. Now I'll show you the footwork of JHAPTAAL. So in JHAPTAAL we will go like flat, 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 blank, flat, 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 blank, which mean right, left, right, left, blank, left, right, left, right, blank. Dhi, na, di, di, na, ti, na, di, di, na. So this is the basic footwork and this is the footwork of JHAPTAAL. Now in next lesson we will do it with the nagma, along with the nagma, and also we will learn the laikari of JHAPTAAL. That's all for today. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.